Got me here in the garage with the Mustang. Got a problem with the transmission. Already checked it out. Transmission fluid is low. Front tranny seal has got a slight leak to it. So, I don't know, man. Freaking car's not that old, really. Don't even have that much mileage. I'm underneath the car. To check the transmission fluid, is a plug on the right side. On 2012 6-cylinder Mustangs, there's a plug on the right side. That's it. Right next to the converter on the passenger side of the transmission. Car has to be running. Plug comes out. There's a small dipstick on that plug. Check it, and you got to fill it in through here too. It's a real pain in the ass. You need a hand pump, something to pump the fluid up and into the transmission. Not a real do-it-yourself job. You got to have the car level when you're checking it and whatnot. I am using this product called AT205 Re-Seal. I put it in that transmission. Well, we'll see if it works, if it'll stop that slight leak on the transmission. Give it a shot. I mean, the car's got 50,000 miles on it. I'll let you guys know. Give it a few weeks to work. It's magic. The transmission on this Mustang was low. I put in that chemical, the transmission sealer stuff, additive I should call it, and 3/4 of a quart. So it was a slow leak. Never bought this car a year and a half ago. Have not checked that transmission because you can't get to it on the ground. You just can't. There's just no possible way to get to that plug. It's just crazy how Ford makes these things. They definitely don't want you working on your own cars, that's for sure. So, like I said, a couple of weeks I'll get back to you, let you know if that stuff works. I'm hearing a lot of good things from a lot of people that actually used it, and I don't know, we'll see. Not too long ago, probably a couple of months ago, transmission was low on fluid, and I put in a AT205, a seal product that's supposed to help the transmission seals stop leaking. And let's get under there and see if it did stop leaking. Yeah, it looks like it's still dripping. It's not a bad drip though, so maybe it slowed it down. It's wet, but I'm not seeing a whole lot. I don't know. There are some drips underneath. So it didn't work on my application. I'm not saying the stuff doesn't work. I'm just saying it didn't work for me. Yeah, there's a couple of drips right there. I know it's hard to see with the underneath the car. Just didn't work in this application. Now, like I said, I've heard all kinds of good things about that product, and everybody swears by it. But I don't know, kind of disappointed that it didn't stop leaking. I hate to take this to the tranny place just to get the freaking front seal replaced. Anyway, all right, y'all take care. Take it for what it's worth, I guess. You guys can try that stuff on your own. Like I said, I'm not saying the product is bad. I'm just saying it didn't work for me. Damn, it's too bad. I've heard all kinds of good things about it from numerous people. All right, y'all. Take care. Catch you later.